Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche Taycan versus the Cayman. We'll explore how these two iconic Porsche models, one fully electric and the other a traditional gasoline sports car, stack up against each other. Understanding their fundamental differences is key to choosing the right Porsche for your lifestyle and driving preferences. When it comes to performance, the Taycan delivers exhilarating, instant electric torque, with some models reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. The Cayman, on the other hand, provides a raw, engaging driving experience with its mid-mounted gasoline engine, offering a different kind of thrill and a distinctive exhaust note. Both are incredibly fast, but in their own unique ways. Design-wise, the Taycan is a sleek, modern four-door sedan, offering more practicality for passengers and luggage with its two trunks. The Cayman is a classic two-door, two-seater sports coupe, prioritizing a focused driving experience over passenger capacity. Your choice depends on whether you need extra space or prefer a more intimate, driver-centric cabin. The driving experience truly sets them apart. The Taycan offers a refined, quiet, and technologically advanced ride, perfect for daily commutes and long trips. The Cayman delivers a more visceral, connected, and analog feel, making every twisty road an adventure. Pricing varies significantly across their ranges, so consider your budget and priorities. Also, check the description for a link to those amazing meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.